welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. According to Bitcoin laws, a total of 32 Bitcoin strategic reserve bills have been introduced in 24 U.S. states at the time of writing. And today, we have a major update. Texas Senate just passed the Bitcoin Strategic Reserve Bill. This is a huge win for the adoption of Bitcoin. As you can see, the bill was just amended and passed with flying colors. The push for Bitcoin reserves at the state level continues, as you can see from this map, by Bitcoin law. The momentum is building. The Texas Senate passed a bill Thursday creating the Texas Bitcoin Depository and setting aside $100 million of the state's unencumbered gold and silver assets to be transferred into Bitcoin. The bill now heads to the House for consideration. The Texas Bitcoin Depository will hold and maintain a strategic reserve of Bitcoin. The reserve is intended to serve as a backup to the currency in the event of an emergency. The state will purchase an initial 1,500 Bitcoin for the reserve. Any profits earned on the investment will also be added to the reserve. So, similar to the recent developments in Florida, this initiative was also championed by the American Legislative Exchange Council, a conservative group that drafts model legislation for state lawmakers. A representative for the group told CoinDesk, the Texas bill is part of a multi-state effort to build a Bitcoin reserve. So, it is definitely not a coincidence that all of these bills are being introduced around the same time. At the core of this is the idea of giving states more control over their own reserves and finances. Now here's the thing. Even though Bitcoin is going through a rough time right now, and Bitcoin has been under pressure due to the overall market conditions, this is exactly why having Bitcoin as a reserve makes sense. It makes sense when times are good and when times are bad. As you can see in the long run, Bitcoin does recover. We do have a lot of negative news currently surrounding traditional finance and banking. Silvergate, Signature Bank, Silicon Valley Bank. The contagion fears are spreading. This is what makes having Bitcoin as a reserve so important. Now, let's take a look at another piece of good news that just came out. New GOP bill aims to end debunking of crypto companies, risky industries. There is a new bill through Congress trying to ban banks from denying services to industries they deem too risky. This would protect crypto companies from being closed by banks, which has happened quite a bit over the past few years. So with all of these significant events taking place, I think it is a great time to get or maintain a good A VPN masks your IP address and encrypts your data. It keeps your personal information, browsing history and online activity away from prying eyes. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Consider sharing it and subscribe to my channels. I would love to have you back for my next one. And if you enjoy reading, find me on my blog for more weekly content. Have a great rest of your day.